Hello, my name is Rachael Durham, and my home college is Lee's campus in Jackson, Kentucky. And today I selected a problem where we are adding to solve. So my numbers that we are adding are going to be 48 plus 25. I decided to add these two because they involve some carrying over, and that is a simple mistake for students. So I wanted to show how to properly go about doing this problem. First, I'm going to add my 8 and my 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. So I write my 3 right here in this place, and then I carry my 1 over to the tens place. Then I go through adding right there. 4 plus 2 is what I have first. That's 6. But then I cannot forget to add my 1 that I carried up here. That's a common mistake. So I'm going to add my 1 to 6, which will be 7. So my end answer for 48 plus 25 is 73. Now I'm going to draw out 48 in the 10 long units, and then I'm going to draw out 25, and I'm going to show how you can combine those, and how using these models are also a great way to show students how you can solve problems. So first I'm going to draw 48 using models. I'm going to have 4 10-unit longs. Then I'm going to write my 8 single units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is what 48 looks like using models. I've got 4 of the 10 longs, and then I've got 8 of the single units. Now underneath here I'm going to draw 25. I'm going to have 2 10 long units this time, and 5 single units. So that's what 25 looks like, drawn as a model. Now, when you have 10 single units, they combine to make a long. So what I'm going to do is pair up my 10 single units that I have . That's going to make another long. And then I'll have 3 single units left over. So now I'm going to rewrite this, having my 6 longs that I already have, and then these are going to make 1 more long. So in total, once I draw my next model, I'll have 7 10 base longs. Now I'm going to count them down to make sure I've wrote enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I have 7 long units. I know this because I had 1, 2, 3, 4 before, plus 2, 5, 6, and then we combined, like I said before, when you have 10 single units, you combine them to make a long. So I had 6, and then we combined these to make 7 longs total. Now if you look over here, I have 1, 2, 3 singles left over. So I'm going to write those now. 1, 2, 3. So now I'm going to add up and make sure I have the same number using my models that I did when I did my math in the first part. So I have 7 longs, 3 singles. That means I have 73 all together. 73 is also what I got up above when I did my math. So just to review, this problem involved carrying, and that's what we did right here when we carried our 1 over. And then the same thing happens with our models. We kind of carry over because we have 13 singles here, so we take 10, make another long, and then carry over our other 3. So that's how that works, and that gives us 73. So we can either do the math in the form of an equation, or we can do the math using base models, which are also a really great way for students to figure out problems if they need a visual representation. I do think that either way is great for them to understand, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.